Physics Blender. I love 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 Physics Blender. Subscribe for more videos.
Now we have question 7. Question 7, we have also a story. And please, guys, as I told you earlier, if we are reading a question about sound, you should identify which barrier or which reflector, which obstacle we are talking about. Because, like this question, we have here obstacle and obstacle. Maybe we have here cliff and cliff. So, and the source of sound. Where is the source of sound? Because here we have the source of sound is from here. We have explosion here. So we have source of sound is not the person. So you have to read the question carefully to identify source of sound, obstacle, and then you can think about your answer. Okay? Okay, explain why the man see the flash of explosion before he hears the sound. Okay, as we said earlier in another question, that light travels faster than sound. Speed of light, so you can write here speed of light in air or vacuum approximately is equal to 300 million meter per second. But speed of sound in air is almost 330 meter per second. Can you imagine the difference? So here this person he sees the flash first, because you can write down here that light travels faster than sound, and you can mention the numerical values if you would like to. Okay, the second part, the man hears a second bang shortly after the first one. State the name given for this second sound. The name for sure, it's called echo, is the name, which means the repetition of sound due to reflection. If you would like to compare the amplitude and the speed of the reflected sound, the sound here will be reflected, as we said also, it's a fact. You should know. I will write it here. Okay, that the echo is quieter than the original sound for many reasons. If you can tell me in the comments why. I told you before, maybe due to the distance, it traveled a longer distance, and maybe some energy of the sound waves are absorbed by the obstacle or the reflector. Many reasons, we have many reasons. State how what are the changes for the amplitude and the speed. For sure the amplitude becomes now smaller because the sound is quieter, the echo is quieter, but the speed will be the same because still we are in the same medium, so the speed will be the same. The next part of the question, we have here the man stands 170 meters from the back rock face. The time between hearing the first sound, which is the original sound directly from the explosion, and the second sound, which is the echo, the time between the two sounds here is 1.0 seconds, 1 second only. Use the information to determine the speed of sound. So according to the equation, speed is equal to speed of sound in air is equal to echo time twice the distance from the wall. Okay, the distance from the wall here between the person and the wall is 170. The time is only 1 second. Check that the units you are using are consistent. So the answer is 340 meter per second. As usual, check your answer, your result is realistic, because you know already the value, the speed of sound in air, 330 meter per second or 350 meter per second. You have this range, approximate value, so your answer is realistic. Is it clear?
Subscribe for more videos. I love physics splendor. 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 I love physics splendor.